Okay, so here we are in Cameron Corner. I'm going to stay here today. Have a restful day. I've sprained my wrist slightly, so just going to chill out for the day. I've just found out they've got 9 holes of golf here, so I'm just going to go and hit 9 holes in the middle of the desert over 3 states. So yeah, can't wait for that. I'm not quite sure how this is going to go, but it's not like there's any fairways. It's just rough all the way. You can see tee off point here. Up to the flag. Pretty much got to drive the green, I suppose, and see how it goes. Alright. Could be 2 balls lost in the same state. So I guess this is what they really call outback golf. I mean, look at it. Okay, well we've pretty much come most of this way to see. This is a piece of concrete. As so many people have said on YouTube and all the blogs that I've read and videos I've seen, it's a long way to come for a piece of concrete. But fantastic. There we go. Queensland, New South Wales, South Australia. And about an hour ago I played golf in all 3 of them. Fantastic, unbelievable scenes. Up here we've got the dingo fence, the longest fence in the world, stretches from one side of Australia to the other. I'm just about to go and have a bit of a read up on its construction and when it was built and that sort of thing. Yeah, this is what it's all about. It's been a fantastic day, just chilling out, not really doing too much, meeting the locals, yeah, I think we've got a restful night tonight, hopefully, and we're going to push on through to Indominka tomorrow. Still may change our plans depending on how rough the roads get, but at the moment we're on track. So checked over the bike this morning, nothing was falling off, although yesterday it seemed like everything was going to fall off. At one point the corrugations were so hard that it looked like the fairing was about to fall off, and every now and then I'd just tug on the fairing to see if it was still there, and it was still bolted on. It wasn't falling off, but it felt like it sometimes. Yeah, we checked out all the tyres and the rest of the bits and pieces. Everything looks good. Probably the last 15 k's coming in yesterday was probably the hardest. I think you get to a point where you sort of relax and you believe that you've done it, and there's still 15 k's of corrugations, of sand, of rubble, and it can catch you out pretty quickly. And I nearly came a cropper a few times, sort of building up the speed a little bit, getting a little bit cocky, and all of a sudden you hit a patch of sand that sort of all you can do is just hold on and try not to back off the throttle, because if you back off the throttle, the front end goes in and it's just all over from there. So I've been learning all the way. It's been an experience, I can tell you that. It's I don't know if it's something that I could do all the time. It's getting easier, but yeah, well, I've got a lot more to do with it. If I go to plan, I reckon I've still got about another 1,500 kilometres to go. So I think by the end of it I should be fairly accomplished. Hopefully I'll be fairly accomplished. Anyway, I'll leave that there for now, and yeah, just gonna have a chilled out night, and I'll speak to you guys later. Okay, so here we are. We're just about to leave Cameron Corner. It's been a fantastic couple of days here. Just chilled out, played golf yesterday, did a little bit of exploring, met up with some really great people. It's surprising how many people just want to come up and talk to you just because you're on a bike, and you know, it's yeah, fantastic. So you don't ever feel like you're sort of alone. Just filled up with fuel. Looks like fuel's going to be okay for the moment. I was a bit worried about the fuel consumption going down from Inaminka to Lyndhurst. That doesn't seem to be my problem now. It seems like there's a bit of a weather front coming in, and they're saying we could get the tail end of it across the Strzelecki on Monday, being Saturday today. Inaminka, Digtree, looks like I was heading down that way on Monday. The roads could get quite treacherous, they reckon, with mud, so we're going to play that by ear. There might be a change of plans somewhere along the lines, but at the moment we're still on track. I'm going to head off today along the old Strzelecki trail, go past the yellow bus, and then up into Inaminka, so we'll be leaving here very soon.